How to turn on and off bullet comments from following on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can allow or disallow bullet comments from people you follow in the REDnote app. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile page, you can simply see the option with the gear icon. Simply tap on that. And from here, you can see the option labeled privacy settings. Simply tap on that. And here you will see a list of options. Find the one labeled allow bullet comments from following and simply tap it. And here you can choose to enable it to allow bullet comments from people you follow or disable it if you want to turn this feature off. This choice is totally yours. And that's it. A quick and simple way to customize your settings in the REDnote app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.